dog.
Did you guys see what happened at all?
I don't even
Because I know you guys were all
okay.
together.
I wasn't trying.
Right out of the gate, this turns from a simple gas station disturbance into a legal mess. You've got a stolen dog allegation, multiple witnesses, and emotions running at 100 miles an hour. And notice this, everybody's talking, but nobody actually wants to testify. That's chaos with a side of plausible deniability.
I ain't agreeing. All I'm saying is,
I don't even know.
all I know is that
Whose dog is it?
we don't know.
We don't know because
Because we were walking that dog earlier, but we don't know.
Okay,
we really
you don't know.
No, because me.
All I know
Huh?
is she's great.
As soon as they shot her, I saw her walking with a dog, and then I saw him screaming for the dog. And that's it. So we don't know.
So who hit? Did you see anybody hit each other?
Nobody.
The dog is mad.
I don't know.
It's what?
His.
It's his? Okay.
But-
Can I get your name?
No.
I'm not testifying.
No.
Okay, so you're telling me it's his dog?
I saw him walking with a dog, and his son's.
And here's the moment the tension really spikes. The owner is laser focused on the dog, while everyone around him is adding fuel to the fire. You can almost feel the officers realizing this situation is one bad decision away from turning physical.
They got here. I saw her. Hey, you like my new dog? And I said,
You're supposed to give me.
he said nothing.
He's tweaking on. This is about my dog. Hey, this is about my dog.
Watch out.
Watch
This is my dog. That's it. You guys are adding more for me. I want to know if I can go so I can get the phone about my dog.
Yeah.
I know, sweetie. You told me, but all this extra shit's going on now. You guys are worrying about extra shit instead of my fucking dog. I want to know about my dog so I can get the phone and see you in court, pussy. Monday morning. Oh wait, it's already Monday.
She's still trying to get on some.
Oh, put that big note. You got. I got this. I got.
Hey, just stay here, okay? Just don't even, it's not even worth it. It's not worth it. All right, just relax, all right? It's not worth it. Huh?
This is where police start shifting from investigation mode into crowd control mode. Legally, once a business tells officers they want people removed, refusing to leave can quickly become criminal trespassing. And spoiler alert, that warning is going to matter a lot in about 2 minutes.
Okay, well, it looks like he's probably going to.
I wanted to hurt him.
In jail.
You get the fuck out and fool. Fuck him. He's a. Wait. Something to drink, please. Whatever.
Sorry, officer. I ain't mean no harm.
You're good. I just don't want to see a fight. That's it. So I appreciate
You
it.
better keep that motherfucking in check, bro.
Hey, we're trying to separate
I
everybody.
ain't trying to start no shit.
All
I don't know what the his problem was, but
I don't know.
he was the one that came and bumped me and was asking me about problems. The guy with the do-rag.
He said he better come. He was about to hack up. He's just on a roll. But you're putting but you should.
That was time.
Go ahead and see him somewhere else. My drink, please. Por favor. It don't matter, bitch. Just something to drink. Find me. Just no pop, please.
21 cents if she wants.
Yeah. Orange juice got too much acid reflex.
Okay, sounds good. Alright guys, where's your friend at? You guys have to go. They don't want you at the gas station, okay? So you guys gotta go. I don't care. Go.
I don't care.
Okay, just go. No, you're not gonna get to the bathroom, so I need you to head out now. Or you're gonna be trespassed. And you're gonna go to jail.
There it is, the final warning. In bodycam cases, this is a moment prosecutors love because officers clearly explain the consequence. Leave now or go in handcuffs. The problem? Some people hear warning and think it's still a negotiation.
So come on. Go.
I'm gonna wait for
You can wait outside. Come on.
in the bathroom.
You can wait outside. You're gonna go to jail. This is my last warning. Go.
Clear. We're gonna check that.
Go, or you're gonna go to jail. Come on. You wanna go to jail?
I have to go pee.
I don't care. They don't want you here, so go.
I wasn't messing with anything.
I don't care. They don't want you here, so
I
go.
wasn't part of anything.
You're gonna need to go.
I wasn't
Okay,
a
where's
part
your
of
ID?
anything.
What's your name? What is your name?
I wasn't a part of
I don't care.
I
They
don't
don't want
care.
you here. So what is your name?
Who doesn't want us here?
What is your name? The guest staff member, the manager, does not want you here. So go.
I don't
And now the entire situation snowballs. What started over a dog has escalated into resisting arrest and alleged battery on an officer. This is exactly how minor incidents spiral into multiple criminal charges in a matter of seconds.
I think he wants me here.
He doesn't want you here. Do you need to go in handcuffs to realize that he don't want you here? Okay, you're gonna go in handcuffs, so turn around.
Hey, bitch! Hey!
Turn around.
Wait, also
You're gonna go.
No.
You're gonna go in handcuffs.
No.
You're gonna go.
Hey!
You're gonna go.
I will. Wait.
Stop!
Wait, off of me!
Babe!
I will stop it!
Stop.
My phone! I will! Wait, okay, I will
Put your hands on your back now! One caution, trespassing, resisting. Get out. Now. Leave or you're coming with.
Please don't take me to jail.
Stand up.
I swear.
Stand
Get
up.
up.
No. You hurt me. Stop hurting me, bitches. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. God damn it.
You can hear the panic setting in now. Reality hits differently once the handcuffs are on. And that line from the officer should have just left. That's basically the entire lesson of this bodycam footage wrapped into one sentence.
I didn't do anything wrong. I'm innocent. Why you
I got a
think
double lock.
you're just a dickhead? I didn't do anything. My back. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I swear. I'm innocent.
No, not yet.
I didn't do anything. I swear to God.
All you had to do was leave.
I'm innocent. I swear. I'm just there. I am just there. I swear. I'm sorry. I don't have anything. I swear. I don't have anything. I'm a dickhead because
Separate your feet.
I don't have
Separate your feet.
I don't have
Separate your feet.
I don't have anything. Get him.
Stop. I'm not gonna tell you guys stop.
My back. I'm sorry.
Then quit moving!
I don't have anything. I don't have anything.
Stop
I
moving.
don't like you to, and this is my first time.
Well, then maybe you should
Should
listen.
have just left.
You should have done anything.
All right.
Go in there.
Let me grab it on the other side.
Have a seat. Have a seat. I'm not gonna tell you no.
Bitch. No, come on. Can't you fucking listen?
Yeah.